Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video I'm going to explain mail marriage. Mail marriage is also one of the important subject in the Excel. We will start with the definition of the mail marriage. What's the mail marriage? We need in the mail marriage, not like Excel or Word here. We already explained almost everything about Excel and everything about Microsoft Word before in the first semester. So now with the mail marriage, we need to make like a combination between Excel and Word, or we need to connect Excel with the Word. What I mean by that? For example, here I have those two files. Here we have the first file, Excel file, and the Word file. If I open the Excel file here, as you can see, in the Excel file, I have the name of the students here. So I have the first name, I have the last name, email, and here we have the marks for computer, for education, math, and English. We have just a random marks for some subjects for random students in here I think general education department. So now here I have how many? More than 100 students. Just see that I have more than 100 students. What I need to do here? I need to make like a mark sheet or like a mark file, like certificate, anything you want. For each student, I need to give him like a certificate with his mark or her mark. Here in the mark file, in the Word, here we have Excel and here we have Word, as you can see. So in this Word file, now I open the Word file. So now you can see what I have here. Here I have this like a certificate, like a file for the mark, as you like. You can name it anything you want. So here each student in this list here, you can see each one, Asma, Ibrahim, Isra, Iman, and so on. I need to give him or give her like something like that. So here the first name will change, right? First name, the first one should be Asma. The second one should be Ibrahim. The third one should be Isra. The fourth one Iman, and so on. So here it will change. The last name will change. The computer, the math, the education, the English marks also will change. The email address will change here, right? Depend on the student name. Depend on what? Depend on the Excel file, the list in the Excel file. So now how can I do that? How can I solve this problem here? I have this one and I have this list here. And I need to create about 100 certificate for those students here. So normally how you can fix this problem, you can just add the name here. Here we need 100 copy of this file, right? 100 copy. The first one, add first name Asma from here, and then last name added from here. After that email, and then add the marks. But this is very difficult. I think it's obvious, it's clear that it's difficult to do that. We need how many time you need to do that? Maybe you need 2 hours, 3 hours only to do that, and to copy many files. So mail marriage comes to solve this problem here. I have the list here, the list of students, and here I have the certificate. So now I need to do what? I need to make a marriage between Excel file and Word file to add those names here automatically from the Excel file. How can I do that? Now everything will be in the Word, not in the Excel. I will open the here, just open that. So now what I need to do? First thing, I need to make a connection between Excel file and Word file. So just go to the mailing, the subject called mail marriage. So just go to the mailing here. Now here, I need to select the recipients. Recipients, which mean the receivers of the file. I want to send the file to who? To students. Because mail marriages, they did it because if we need to send it by the email. So after that, we will send it by the email in the normal way. But we didn't need to explain that. We just need to make a marriage now. And this is the important. Send it by email is nothing difficult here. So now I need to select the recipients. So the students here from the list, right? I will send it to the students from the list. So I can go to the mailing first thing and then select recipients. Click here. So here we have three like categories here. The first one, type name list. So we can write the names by yourself. If you don't have a name, you don't have Excel file, you can write the name here. You can add anything here. You can add the first name, the last name, company, and anything you want from here. And of course, you can change that. Or use an existing list. If you already have list, so you can just go here, or choose from Outlook contact if you want to send it by email. I don't need that. So we need always we need to do that here, using or use an existing list, because we already have a list here. So we need to use this list. So now I need to select the recipient, go here, use an existing list in this way. Now where's the list here? We need to find that mail marriage and then 2022. So here the file, the Word file, and here the list. So just select the list here. Finish. After just select the list, here you need to do what? Because we have maybe 2 sheets, 3 sheets. So which one we need? List or sheet 1? If you just check the file here, we have list and we have sheet 1. Sheet 1 is empty, so nothing inside it. So just we need the list here. So I need just the list. So just select the list and okay, because all the information, all the data are inside the list. Now I finish. I make a connection now between Excel file and Word file. Now I can access everything inside Excel file here in the Word. How can I do that? First of all, I need here we have something not changeable. For example, student mark, Jihan University RB. We don't need to change it, right? We need to change the name, the last name, and the marks. So here, I need to add the first name. I cannot directly add Asma or Ibrahim because it will change. I need to add it in this way. Just go here, I need first name. So here we can see here, we have address block, we have greeting line, and we have insert marriage field. This is the important. Until now I am here inside mailing. So insert marriage field. Select that. Now you can see we have what? First name, last name, email, computer, education, math, English. This is from where? This is from the file here. We have first name, as you can see, first name, last name, email, computer, education, math, English. Because I make a marriage between this file and this file. So now here I need what? Insert marriage. I need first name. So just say that like this. I need first name. Here, the second one, I need the last name. Not the first name or last name. For all students, I mean, now if I try to see preview here, just to test it, just go to the preview. Now you can see the first one is what? Asma. Here, if I change that, I can see Brahim. Here, Isra, and so on. So you can just add the information here. Now, again, click here to delete the preview. Now here, the computer, the mark for computer. How can I make it here? Same thing. Just go to the insert marriage. Now I need what? I need computer. So just add computer. Here math. Go to insert marriage and then go to math. Education, same thing. Go to education. Here English. Go to English. Now if I make a preview, now you can see just the preview here. You can just drag it here. All the names here. Get a preview. Now I need the email address, so just go here, email address, same thing, insert marriage, and just insert the email here. Now I finish, and good luck. I don't need to change that here. Sometimes we need to make like a greeting line. If you need to make a greeting line, also you can make greeting line like there's something to someone, there's someone, like dear Osama, I need to give you something like that. So if you want to do that, we can go to the greeting line, same thing here. Greeting line you can add there, or you can add to, or anything you want. Now I need there, for example, and there the name here, just the name will be Mr., Miss, or something like that. You can add anything, like add just the name here. After that you can add this, just add here just you can see dear sir. Greeting line for invalid recipient name. If the recipient name, the student name doesn't exist in the list, in the Excel list, you can add dear sir or madam, because you don't know who is that. And just like this, here you can match the field. Here, match the field. So here, the first name from where? From the first name in the table. Here is already do it for you. Last name from the last name. And we don't have anything, only we need the first name and the last name. And then OK and OK. Now you can see here a greeting. If you make a preview here, you can see. So dear Jamshid, dear anyone here, you can just add it here. Anyone, you will see the name here after there. If you want to do it or not, no problem. So now I finish that. After finish, you have to do what? Go to the finish marriage here. By the way, you can, for example, here edit recipient. I mean, for example, I need all the names. except like Muhannad, for example. So I can just do unselect, deselect the Muhannad. You can sort the list here by what? By the name, by the first name. You can make a sorting. You can just make any filter here. You can filter here, so you can add something. You can delete someone from here if you want. And here you can select recipient again, but we already select the recipient, so we don't need that again. And start mail marriage here, we can do it also. So for example, I need this, make it letter, make it like email message or what, or normal word document, as you like. So for example, I select the letter, or you can make it normal document, anything. It's not different, just the different design here. I can just make it letters. After that, you can just go to the finish marriage here. So we need edit individual document, print document, send email message. So you can do anything. You can send it if you prepare the Outlook to email client to send it. But now I need just to, or print here if you have a printer, you know, in this way. But now just for example, I need to make it here, edit individual document. I need all, or for example, from something to something. No, I need all of them. You can add from something to something, but I need all. So just say okay. After that, you can see how many we have. The first one, this is the second one for Ibrahim, the third one, fourth one, and so on. If we just make it, how many? All students here, you can find them. If we just focus here, you can see 104 pages here. After finish, you can just convert it to the Excel, to the PDF, and finish just in the file here, and then export. You can go to export, or you can save as PDF as you like. Export. Now I export it as a PDF file. You can change the name, save it anywhere. For example, I need to save it here in this drive. In the exam, you have to save it in your folder, in the same folder. So for example, you create the file by your name here in the E drive. You can just save it in the same file. For example, here in the F or in the E drive here, I can create a folder by my name, for example, here, and I need just to save it here. Publish. Now I save it in this file here and convert it to the PDF file, and now we have like a certificate for each students here with the different marks depend on the student. So this is everything about mail marriage. Hope you understand that, and thank you very much.